So statistics is the study to call. So statistics is the study to collect, summarize, analyze, and interpret the data. So data will be the separate data. For example, you have to collect the number of people living in a particular area. So in the production, you can also make the count on the number of the products, number of category of the product, and number of people living in the area. In education, we can also count the number of students, number of subjects. Those are we can call it the data. Data will represent the particular population or the study area or the production. Those things are we can call it the data and analyze. So this is a statistic means collecting, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting the data, so that the effective decision can be made on the real life problem. So this is the way to collect, how to collect the data, how to analyze, and how to summarize, and how to interpret. This is we call the statistics. So there are two kinds of data. One is a category. Category means that, for example, you make the production, there are 2 or 3 products. So this is category. For example, one category may be the oscilloscope, another will be the amplifier. This is we call the category. And another one will be the number. Number means that there are 3 oscilloscopes. In this row, you will see that there are 10 oscilloscopes and the 7 are meter. So oscilloscope and meters are category, and 7 and 10 are the number. So that when you collect the data, you have to collect both the category and the number. So category number representation, this is we call the collection of the data. So there are 2 kinds of data. One will be the category, another will be the numerical. And another one is that data can be the continuous or they are the decrease. Decrease means the data are not related to the one another. So this is a decrease. Continuous means that all data are continuously changing. For example, room temperature is continuously changing. This is the continuous behavior. But number of people enter into the row is a decrease. So you can count the 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is we call the decrease data. So in the data representation, there are 2 kinds of data: category and numerical, and decrease and continuous. So those are the data collection. Okay, another kind of data will be the population and the sample. Population is the whole group. This is the all data. So for example, you have to count the number of chairs. Hello? So another one will be the population. Population means that, for example, this row, there are the 25 table and chairs. So all the table chairs, this row is for the population. And from this population, you can select a particular table. For example, this table in the front bench, front row table in the second row, table in the back row. This is we call the sample. So population is the whole collection, and from there you have to count this, you have to select. So this selection is we call the sample. So this is the whole thing with the population. So this population from here, this is the data here. So from here you can select this one. This is we call the sample. So this is the sample. So population is the whole collection, and from here you count. So this will be the sample. So in this case, discrete means the countable, so such as the number of days. Continuous means the infinite size, the daily temperature. So those are discrete and continuous in nature. Parameter is a numerical measure that describes the some characteristics of the population. So this population is that you can count how many people, how many materials. So this is the this is the parameter. And for the sample means the numerical measure that describes the sun characteristic of the sample. So another thing will be the mode. Mode means that how many times happen. For example, the maximum happen. So this is mode. The definition is that the data set that occurs most often. The data set that occurs most often. This is the observation. And this is because the frequency. So frequencies are observation is 6, 10, 12 like this. So this is the number of time happen. So this is we call the mode. So number of 12 time happen. So this is we call the frequency. Frequency is 12 is the highest. So this is we call the mode. Mode is a 12. And sometimes our mode can happen more than one. This is this graph. This we go reach the maximum value, and another reach the maximum value. So this is because the mode 1. This is the mode 2. So mode 1 and mode 2, this is we also call this mode. So in this case, there will be the mode is 2 times. This maximum occurrence will be the 2 times happen. This is the only 1 time happen. This is good. So mode is the data set that occurs more often frequency. This is we call the mode. That's the mode. In this case, you see the graph. This graph is going flat. You have to count as a number of chairs. Hello. So another one will be the population. Population means that for example, this row there are the 25 table and chairs. So all the table chairs, this row is for the population. And from this population, you can select a particular table. For example, this table in the front bench, front row, table in the second row, table in the back row. This is we call the sample. So population is the whole collection, and from there you have to count this. You have to select. So this selection is we call a sample. So this is the whole thing will be the population. So this population from here, this is the data here. So from here you can select this one. This is we call a sample. So this is the sample. So population is the whole collection, and from here you count. So this will be the sample. So in this case, discrete means the countable. So such as the number of days. Continuous means the infinite size, the daily temperature. So those are discrete and continuous in nature. Parameter is a numerical measure that describes the sun characteristic of the population. So this population is that you can count how many people, how many material. So this is the parameter. And for the sample means the numerical measure that describes the sun characteristic of the sample. So another thing will be the mode. Mode means that how many times happen. For example, the maximum happen. So this is mode. The definition is that the data set that occurs most often. The data set that occurs most often. So this is we call the mode. So mode means that, for example, that we can count the frequency. This is the observation. And this is we call the frequency. So frequencies are observation is 6, 10, 12 like this. So this is the number of time happen. So this is we call the mode. So number 12 times happen. So this is we call the frequency. Frequency is 12 is the highest. So this is we call the mode. Mode is a 12. And sometimes our mode can happen more than one. This is this graph. This we go reach the maximum value, and another reach the maximum value. So this is because the mode 1. This is the mode 2. So mode 1 and mode 2, this is we also call this mode. So in this case, there will be the mode is 2 times. The maximum occurrence will be the 2 times happen. This is the only 1 time happen. This is good. So mode is the data set that occurs more often frequency. This is we call the mode. That's the mode. In this case, you see the graph. This graph is going flat. So this is a no mode. So to happen the mode, it must have the most often occurrence. Most often occurrence of the data, in this case we call that mode. Okay, find the mode of the following sample of the data. So we have to find the mode. So first thing you have to count. You see that 18, how many times happen? How many times you find the 18? 1, this is another 2, 3, 4, 5. So 18 happen 5 times. So 19 only 1 time, 20 happen the 2 times, and 21 only 1 time, 37 happen only 1 time. So 18 is a 5 time happen. So in this case, the 18 is mode is at 18. So mode is equal to 18. And the B is at 27, 28, 29, 36, 14, 24. All numbers are different. They only happen 1 time. They occur only 1 time. So this is a no mode. And the C, so you see the 19. How many times you see the 19? This is like 1 time. This is 2 times. 19 happens 2 times. And 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And also 18. 1, 2, 3. So in this case, there's a 2 mode. So 19 and 18 are modes. So they happen 2 times each. So 19 and the 18 are the modes. So this is how many times happen. So the most highest number of occurrence, this is we call the mode. Okay, another one is the median. So the median number in an order set, so this is we call the median. So order set means that you have to order the number. So the ascending order or descending order. So start from the smaller and then gradually increase. Or they start from the bigger and gradually down. So ascending or descending, you have to rearrange the data, and then after that you find the median number. So this is we call the median. Okay, we follow one. Okay, the problem 2, you have to find the median of each of the following samples of the data. So the H is 7, 3, 2, 8, 11. So we have to rearrange the data either the descending or ascending order. So then now I will arrange stuff from the smaller one, and then I will put the bigger one. The smaller one is a 2, and second one will be a 3, and then a 7, 8, and 11. Okay, they are 5 data. 5 data, so 7 will be the middle one. So this is the median. Median is equal to 7. So we have to rearrange the data. Ascending or descending, so start from the smaller, then to biggest, or start from the biggest, then to smallest, and then you have to find the median number. So this is we call the median. Okay, and so this is for the question answer A, and the B. B is 18, 19, 18, 20, 18, 20, 21, 37, and 18. So this is also we have to find the median. So we start from the smaller one is 18. So you start from the 18. So one 18 go, and another 18. So 18, 18, and 18. So you have to count the 518. After that, it will follow the 19. So you see the 19. After the 20, 20, so 220. Okay, 20, 20. And then followed by the 21. And finally 37. So you count how many numbers here. So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers. So you have to divide by the 5 to 5 group. So 5 number is another 5 in the second group. So first group will be the 5 number here. Second group will be the 19 and 18. So in this case, these are the equally close, so that we have to find the average. So this average will be the median. So median is equal to average of the median number. 18 plus 19 divided by 2. So this becomes 18.5. So median will be the 18.5. Also, you have to rearrange. So start from the Okay, this is this one. So this one also you can also find the median if you like. But this one means the arithmetic average of the all measurements in the data set. So that you have to find the average means that you have to add the all data and then you have to divide it by the number of data. So this is become a mean. Okay, this is we have to find a mean. So first data set is 11, 14, 10, 5. So you have to find a mean. So mean when you have to add the all. So this is the mean is the 8 bar. So you have to add the 11 plus 14 plus 10 plus 5. So number of times that you can see how many count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of counting it will be 4. So that will be that you got the mean. So mean will be the 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. Alright. Okay, mean is as that way that we have to find the mean. So for this that you have to add the all number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 divided by 11. So that will be the mean. Okay, another means this is for the data that happen. Another one is that you can see the frequency table. Frequency table means that for example, this is the 2 happen how many times? 2 times. Okay, and 5 happen and 5 times, 3 times. So it is 2 multiply 2 and 5 multiply 3. So this is the number and the number of happenings are frequency. So number multiply frequency, then you add everything and divided by the number of happenings, so you got the mean. Okay, so this is we have to make a calculation. So we have to calculate the mean for the 0 to 9, 5. Then you have to find the mean between the 10 to 19, mean between the 20 to 29, mean between 30 to 39, and the 40 to 49. You have to find the mean. So this is the interval, and the mean, and frequency multiply mean. So we have to calculate. So the interval is the start from 0 to 9. So mean we say 0 plus 9 is divided by 2. So this is the 4 by 5. The frequency is 1. So frequency multiply mean 4 by 5 multiply 1. This is equal to 4 by 5. And interval is a 10 to 19. So mean is a 10 plus 19. 10 plus 19 by 2. So you got that this is a 14.5. The frequency is 2. So this is 14.5 multiply 2 is equal to 29. And also the 20 to 29. So 20 to 29, so this is a 20 plus 29 by 2. So this becomes a 24.5. And the frequency is 4. So the 24.5 multiply 4, so that becomes a 98. And 30 to 39. So 30 to 39, so this is a 30 plus 39 by 2. So this becomes the mean is a 34.5. So this is the frequency will be the 8. So 34.5 multiply 8, that will be the 276. And the 40 to 49. And for this is a 40 plus 49 by 2. So this becomes a 44 by 5. So 44 by 5 multiply 4. So this is a 44 by 5 multiply 4 is equal to 178. And mean is between 50 to 59. So 50 plus 59 by 2. So this becomes a 54 by 5. So this is frequency happen 1. So 54.5 multiply 1 is equal to 54.5. So you got that this is the mean. Then we have to calculate the number of frequencies. So number of F summation. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. So that will be the 20. So this is the summation of F8. So 4 by 5 plus 29 plus 98 plus 276 plus 178 plus 54 by 5. So there will be the 340. And then you can calculate the mean. So mean is the 8 bar. So summation of the F8 divided by summation of F. So summation of F8 is 640. Summation of F is at 20. So this one you got there 32. So mean will be there 32. So this is as our mean, you can find it two ways. One way is that you add the all number and then divide by number or current. The other one is that you have to find the mean, multiply the frequency, and multiply FA and then add the all frequency and the all FA. So then H is equal to, H bar is equal to summation FA divided by summation F. Then you can also calculate the mean. Okay, range is the difference between the smallest and the largest data. So this becomes the range. Okay, so this one you find a range between the smallest and the largest number. So the difference between the smallest and the largest is become the range. Range will do largest minus smallest. This will become the range. So range we can calculate. In this case, number one. So smallest is 18. You can see the 18. Larger one is 37. So range will be there. 37 minus 18. So this will get 19. Range at 19. Okay, the next one. We also have to find a range. So smaller and the larger. Smaller is 18, larger is 21. So there is a range will be there. Larger minus smaller, so 21 minus 18. So range is equal to largest minus smallest. So largest will be the 21, smaller will be the 18. So this is the range will be the 3. So residual is the difference between the H and the H and the mean H bar is called the division from mean or the residual. So different residual mean H bar and H are different. H minus H bar is we call the residual. So residual is equal to H minus H bar. So this is the residual. Okay, so this one we have to calculate the mean. So you have to add the all numbers and divide it by the number counting. So this is the first you have to calculate the mean. The mean is 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 17 plus 21 divided by 5. So this is the mean. You should become 75 by 5 is equal to 15. So mean is 15. And also you have to calculate residual. So residual you can calculate. So this is the residual will be the H minus H bar. So residual is H minus H bar. So that this is the each number minus mean. So you got the residual. So this becomes each number is 10 minus 15. Or this is the 12 minus 15. Or 15 minus 15. Or 17 minus 15. And 21 minus 15. So you got that thing. So this becomes this becomes minus 5, minus 3, 0, 2, and 6. So those are the residuals. Okay, then another one is we can calculate gradient. The gradient formula is we can calculate. So now we have to calculate residual. And add the all residual divided by a minus 1. So this is become the gradient. So gradient you can also calculate equation. Gradient is equal to summation H minus H bar square divided by a minus 1. So this is become the gradient. Gradient is summation H minus H bar square divided by a minus 1 is the gradient. Okay, firstly we have to calculate the mean. Mean is the summation H divided by n. This is the mean. So H bar is the mean. So can be calculated summation H divided by n. So H is that you have to add the all number. 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 17 plus 21 divided by the 5. So this becomes 15. 15 is the mean. And also we have to calculate gradient. So gradient is S squared. So gradient is S squared. The formula is summation H minus H bar squared divided by a minus 1. So this is for the gradient. So gradient you can also calculate. So that there will be the all numbers are 10, 12, 15, 17, 21, and mean is 15. So 10 minus 15 squared plus 12 minus 15 squared plus 15 minus 15 squared plus 17 minus 15 squared plus 21 minus 15 squared. So this is the summation H minus H bar squared. So this is we call the 10 minus 15 square plus 12 minus 15 square plus 15 minus 15 square plus 17 minus 15 square plus and 21 minus 15 square. So this is all that we call as a mean. After that, you substitute. So divided by n minus 1. N minus 1 is the number of n is 5, so 5 minus 1. So this becomes as a minus 5 square plus minus 3 square plus 0 square plus 2 square plus 6 square divided by 4. So this becomes as a 25 plus 9 plus 4 plus 36 divided by 4. So this is a 74 divided by 4. So you've got 18 by 5. So radian is 18 by 5. So the radian equation is that we can follow the equation. Radian is the s square. S square is summation h minus a bar square divided by n minus 1. So this is the radian. So this radian you find the square root. So this becomes the standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of the radian. Is standard deviation. Okay, this above problem now we also have to calculate the mean. So the problem 8. Calculate the standard deviation of 10, 12, 15, 17, and 21. Okay, so we calculate the equation. A is equal to square root of summation h minus a bar square divided by n minus 1. So this is the equation we can calculate. S is equal to square root of summation h minus a bar square divided by n minus 1. So this is the square root of h minus a bar means that 10 minus 15 square plus 12 minus 15 square plus 15 minus 15 square plus 17 minus 15 square plus 21 minus 15 square. So divided by n minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 5 minus 1. So this becomes a square root of. So this becomes a square root of 18 by 5. So this is a 4 by 3. So standard deviation is 4 by 3. So in this case, we also calculate the radian. So radian you can calculate s square. S square equal to summation h minus h bar square divided by n minus 1. So this is a general formula to calculate the radian. Radian is the s square. S square general formula is the summation h minus h bar square divided by n minus 1. So this one is the when you make the mathematical calculation, this is also equal to the you square the h and sum. So summation h square minus square is h bar square. H bar square and multiply with n divided by n minus 1. So this is the same. This is the same means that you add the all h square minus so h bar square multiplied with n divided by n minus 1. So these are the same equation. So if when you make the calculation, you can also calculate it this way. So summation h square minus and h bar square divided by n minus 1, then you got the radian. So radian you can also calculate by that way. And then you also calculate the standard deviation. So standard deviation is square root of s square, then you got the standard deviation. Okay, this one we also have to calculate the standard deviation, radian and the standard deviation for the h is the 23559. So firstly you have to calculate the mean. Mean the h bar. So mean you can calculate summation h divided by n. So that you add the all 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 9 divided by 5 times. So then you got the 24 by 5. It's equal to 4 by 8. So mean is 4 by 8. Okay, then you also have to calculate the summation a square. So summation a square means that 2 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 5 square plus 9 square. So then you can calculate this one with the 144. And also you can calculate n h bar square. So number and this you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 multiplied h bar is the 4 by 8 square. So this one we can calculate with the 115.2. Then you can calculate the S square. S square is the formula summation h minus h bar the whole square divided by n minus 1. So this is equal to summation h square minus n h bar square divided by n minus 1. So the summation h square we already calculated. Summation h square is 144. Minus n h bar square is 115/2 divided by n is 5 minus 1. So that becomes the, so we saw the thing, so this is the S square. S square is equal to 7.2. Then S is square root of 7.2, so it becomes the 2.68. So this is standard deviation is 2.68. Okay, this one we also calculate the group frequency distribution. So this is S square is equal to, we can also calculate summation F into h minus h bar square divided by n minus 1. So this equation. So this becomes it. This is also equal to the summation F into h minus h bar square, and it's similar to the summation F minus 1. So this is also equal to the summation. This one is equal to F h square minus n h bar square divided by n minus 1. So those are the equations to calculate the standard deviation and variance for the group frequency distribution. So the S square is equal to summation f h square minus n h bar square divided by n minus 1. So this is the variance. Then you also have to calculate the standard deviation. So standard deviation is f is square root of summation f h square minus n h bar square divided by n minus 1. So then you can calculate the standard deviation. So this is the formula to calculate the standard deviation. Okay, in this case, example is at 10 to 14. So mid is a 10 plus 14 divided by 2. So this is mid. 10 plus 14 by 2. So this is 24 by 2 is a 12. Midpoint is 12. And the frequency 4. So frequency multiply f multiply 8. So in this case 4 multiply 12 is equal to 48. And 4 f h square. F h square means that 4 multiply h square is a 12 square. So this one you call that 576. So the for the interval 10 to 14, mid is a 12, f is a 4, f is a 48, f square is 576. And also the 15 to 19. So 15 to 19, mid will be the 15 plus 19 by 2. So this is the 17. So frequency is 7. So frequency multiply 7. So this is 17 multiply 7 is equal to 119. And also the 7 multiply 17 square is equal to 2023. So this is for the 15 to 19. And also 20 to 24. So 20 to 24 means you can also calculate 20 plus 24 by 2. So this becomes the 22. So frequency is 5. So that this is 22 multiply 5 equals 110. And so 5 multiply 22 square is equal to 2420. So this is between the 20 to 24. And also the 25 to 29. So 25 to 29. So this is as a 25 plus 29 by 2. So this becomes the 27. And the frequency will be the 3. So this is as a f is 27 multiplied 3 is equal to 81. So 81. And the f square. F square means that f is a 3 multiplied 27 square. So this becomes the 2187. So this is the 25 to 29. Then you also calculate for the 30 to 34. So 30 to 34. So midpoint is 30 plus 34 by 2. So this becomes 32. So frequency 1. And also fh is equal to 32 multiply 1. So this is also 32. And fh square is equal to the frequency f is 1. H square is 32 square. So h square 32 square. So this is 1024. So we got this name like this. And after that you can also calculate this. So 8 bar. 8 bar you can calculate. 8 bar is the summation fh by summation f. So add all the things. So this becomes the summation fh square. So this is the summation fh. Summation f is a 2 as a thing. So the summation f is equal to 20. Summation fh is equal to this is the 48 plus 119 plus 110 plus 81 plus 32. So that this summation fh is a 390. So then also the summation fh square. So you add the 576 plus 2023 plus 2420 plus 2187 plus 1024. So this is the 8230. So summation f is 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. So this is 20. Summation f is 48 plus 119 plus 110 plus 81 plus 32. So this is a 390. Summation f is square will be the 576 plus 2023 plus 2420 plus 2187 plus 1024. So summation f is square is 8230. Then h bar you can also calculate summation f is by summation f. So summation f is we already calculated 390. Summation f is at 20. So 390 divided by 20, you got the 19.5. So this is mean we got the 19.5. And standard deviation, to calculate standard deviation, you have to calculate variance. So variance is s square. The formula is summation fa square minus n h bar square divided by n minus 1. So the summation fa square we already calculate is 8230 minus n is how many calculate n is at 20. 20 to 8 bar square is 19.5 square divided by 20 minus 1. So we solve in this one. So this is 8230 minus 7605 divided by 19. So this one, you got this s square is 3289. So 32.89. Then you got s is equal to square root of 32.89. So this is the standard deviation is 5.739. So we calculate standard deviation by this way. So this is the